Now this problem isn't meant to be as tricky as it seems, but the issue is this. You have a y squared, you have an x, and you have a quantity. Now if you tried to get x by itself, the first thing you would do is you would start by adding 6x to both sides of the equation. This would get you y squared equals 6x plus 18. Then you would subtract 18 to both sides of the equation. Now you know about combining like terms, so you understand that y squared minus 18 equals 6x. From that point, divide everything by 6. You want a leading coefficient, therefore you have 1/6 y squared minus 3 equals x. This is in vertex form whether it looks like it or not. And I think what throws people off is they say, I can't be finished. Where are the parentheses? Where you're supposed to have x squared times the quantity y minus k squared plus h. Well, if you wanted to, you could expand it out. You could say y plus 0 squared minus 3 equals x. Now, why can we do this? Well, y plus 0 is just y. Y squared gives you what you already had. This negative 3 is on the back, so it'd be on the back anyways. So what the real difficulty is I think people have a hard time visualizing that these two quantities are exactly the same. So when you don't have, I guess you could just look at it from this aspect. You could say, let me get a highlighter out. We'll use this orange highlighter over here. Whenever this doesn't have, see how there's y squared? This is the only thing it had, that y squared. Make that nice and pretty. It's that y squared by itself, and that was the only y in the problem. That's the reason why this looks so crazy. So, my best advice is just go with your instincts, get one of the letters by itself, and if for whatever reason you don't see any other y, understand that that means you have a 0, and your vertex in this problem is 0. Oh, whoa, I did a mistake. Please don't listen to it. It's -3, 0, because 0 has to be put here, which makes this 0 squared, and then -3 for the x. So y is 0, x is -3, hence why it equals x. All right.